Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Windward waters until 12:30 p.m. At 11:23 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Mount Hawaii to 9 nautical miles northeast of Fat Buoy HH, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Fat Buoy U, Fat Buoy T, Mokuba Islands, Fat Buoy MM, and Hawaii Boat Harbor. Prepare for gusty winds, steep and fast-building seas, and blinding downpours. Stay low or go below, and jackets.
Emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.